Let's look at letter F. This is how we write the letter F. The sound of the letter F is F. F is for fire.
Fire is very hot. The girl has blue shoes on her feet. Her father is sitting by the fire.
The tree has fruits. Look at the frog in the pond. There is also a fish. Can you see the flowers by the pond?
So the words fire, feet, fish all start with the letter F. So do you know the sound of letter F? F.